Let's say you're making a room addition or you're doing a tenant improvement project in an office building. Well, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to lay out your floor, figure out where your walls are going to go, and the most important point of the whole project really is your corner or corners if you got more than one. So once you have your floor layout done on the floor, it's critical to get an accurate transfer of that corner point to the ceiling. And the way we used to do it is we used to use a plumb bob, which takes a little while because you might get it wrong the first time and you got to keep moving it and the plumb bob wants to swing and so forth. But now we have 3-point laser levels. Like this one right here. This is a really good one. This one is a PLS 3-point green laser level. Green is significant because that gives you about 3, sometimes it seems like, maybe 4 times as much visibility as a red laser level. So this gives you the opportunity to use this in some outdoor situations, or when you're indoors and all the windows are open, or maybe all the walls aren't on yet and there's a lot of daylight coming in. It could be hard to see a red laser level. So you get a green laser level and it gives you a lot more opportunities to use it because of the increased visibility. And PLS is a fluke company, so it's really good. PLS has a really good reputation in the laser business. The way I have it set up here is I have it on a floor stand, and the floor stand comes, if you buy this as a kit, they give you a floor stand and they give you an L bracket. The L bracket has a magnetic feature where if you're using metal studs, you just stick it onto a metal stud. And when you set it up, what you put it on doesn't have to be perfectly level or plumb. It has to be within 4 degrees. And then it is a self-leveling situation where it's got a pendulum in it that will self-level it. You can use it out of level if you want. You have to put on what's called the level lock, and then it will work out of level. But every 5 seconds, it's going to blink twice to tell you that you're out of level. That can be a good situation when you're using it to make stairs or something like that. But most people are going to be using it for leveling and plumb applications, especially plumb. The 3 points are down 90 degrees, up 90 degrees, and straight ahead level. And let me tell you about quality. This unit has been drop tested to 1 meter, and it's got an IP rating of 54. And another really nice advantage of it is the size. It's about 4 inches by 5 inches by 2 inches, and it weighs 1.3 pounds. How do you like that? If you get the kit, it comes with a pouch, and you just put it on your belt and carry it around with you. It's only a little over a pound, so it's really portable. It works on 3 AAA batteries, and it will work continuously for 16 hours. Now, interesting enough, the red one that's just like this, the red laser, will work continuously with the same batteries for 30 hours. To change the batteries, depress this item right here. Okay, here's your PLS symbol. The place you press is right here. So you take your screwdriver, you press it in there, and just open it up, and there's your 3 batteries right there. So take and put these 2 items in these 2 holes, just like that, and close it back up. And there you go. That's how you change batteries. All right, let's go over the buttons. The first one is the on and off button, and it's got a green LED that shows you it's on. And then we'll move to the middle one there with a picture of the lock. So if you slide the lock mechanism on, a green LED comes on, and that tells you it's on lock. So that means that you can use it out of level. And the third one there is for the battery. It has a red LED that comes on if your batteries need to be replaced. The accuracy of this laser is 1/8 inch at 30 feet, and the working range is 100 feet. The diameter of the laser point is 4 millimeters at 5 meters. The laser comes with a 3-year warranty. In conclusion, this is a high-quality piece of equipment that can really speed up your work and make your work more accurate. I'll put a link in my video description for the PLS 3-point green laser level kit, which includes a floor stand, a magnetic L bracket, a pouch, 2 green target plate cards, and a hard case with padding inside. I'll put a link for the PLS 3-point red laser level kit as well, which is about $70 less than the PLS 3 green. I'll put links for the PLS 5G, which is a 5-point green laser level, which is good for plumb and square alignment tasks. The PLS 180G, which is good for horizontal and vertical alignment tasks. And the PLS 6G combo point and line green laser. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.